How to freeze rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. Open an Excel spreadsheet with a dataset that requires scrolling horizontally or vertically. Click on the cell just below the row you want to freeze, and/or to the right of the column you want to freeze. Example, if you want to freeze row 1 in column A, click on cell B2. Navigate to the View tab in the Excel ribbon. In the window group, click on the Freeze Panes button. Select first of the three options from the drop-down menu. Freeze Panes freezes both rows and columns, depending on the selected cell. You can also choose the following options. Freeze Top Row freezes only the top row, regardless of the selected cell. Freeze First Column freezes only the first column, regardless of the selected cell. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if this guide helped you. Subscribe for more similar videos.